Welcome to Quizzy Fun Facts. What did you know about crows? Crows is known for playing tricks and teasing other animals. It has the intelligence level similar to a 7-year-old child when solving puzzles. They can recognize and remember human faces for years. They uses over 250 different calls to communicate with its flock. They gathers in groups and seems to mourn its dead. They are known for using sticks and leaves to get food. They are known for adapting and thriving in cities around the world. It has a lifespan of up to 20 years in the wild, often living longer in captivity. Curious for more? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun facts.